All right, it's May 20th. We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. You're looking at some people out there enjoying themselves playing volleyball in the area that was once the Pavilion, a historic building down here in Myrtle Beach. I hate that it was torn down. There's an amusement park across the way there as well. Had merry-go-round, small rides for kids. Old organ there, it was great. And you had right across from the Bowery, where Alabama got their start. We used to play down here. This is what the area used to look like. That's the Pavilion right there, that big building. And then they have this little area right here that you could sit outside on the top area there and watch people dance below in that little open section. There's that amusement park across the way. And then that's the area that's still here with the Bowery, and most of this area is the same right down through there. Beautiful beach down here. As you can see, people are out there today loving it. They've redid this boardwalk over the years, and it stretches out from pier you can see down there up to the 2nd Avenue Pier, right along the dunes there. People walk all the way up down through there. Some shops and things up that way, but we're going to stay in the core of the town today. I just want to show you what I believe is the town square from Myrtle Beach, basically. This is where I spent all of my childhood. Every year we come down here in the summer and go to the beach and play games in the Pavilion, get ice cream. It's great. We got these little signs along the way here now. I'll show you where you're at. Yeah, we'll take a walk on the boardwalk first and then come back up the street. Got the Oceanfront Bar and Grill right there on my left. Got plenty of seating along the way. It's lit up well at night. Got shade structures there for you. You got those placards. You can see them right there off on the rail there. They're all up and down through here. They'll tell you about the jellyfish and about the history of this boardwalk and different things throughout history, like the Civil War and the blockades they had here, things like that. You got Dirty Don's Oyster Grill here. Some of this area looks a little different to me. It's the same buildings, but they got garage doors closed on them right now. They used to be open all the time. Maybe they'll open them as the summer comes along. And this little area where you get food's a little more closed in. Got Paradise General Store right there. Got Sweet Treats. I've seen those stores all over. Must be some kind of franchise. I personally don't like see the same old stores everywhere. I like one-off individual stores. Got the arcade, family entertainment right here. Abraham's. Get your Hurricane right there. Speaking of hurricanes, here's one of them placards that shows what Hurricane Hazel did back in the day. Tore the place up real good. And the only building that was standing during that time after that storm was the Pavilion down there that they tore down. It was made to withstand hurricanes. This store right here is the Gay Dolphin. It's been here a long time. One of the first shops here. Great gift shop. You want to go into it? You can spend all day in there. They got different floors, a basement down there. I mean, it's great to just walk around in it. Got your usual beach wear shops. There's a little outdoor seating here. Low moons. If you get hot, they got these shade structures for you get a little shade. This little park right here is called Plyler Park. And it's of interest to me because there used to be a hotel that stood right here. 5-story hotel, I believe it was. I wish I could remember the name. This is where my parents would bring my family. Me and my family would come down here every year, my brother, my sister, myself. We stayed at this hotel. I'd sit up on that balcony at night and they'd let me sleep outside and I'd listen to the waves come in. It was just a great place to be in the 60s for me. I'm sure it's great for kids today too. Yeah, we'd come out and go at night after playing on the beach all day. We'd come out, we'd walk down that beach and go up that way. Then we'd swing back to pavilion, play games. All these little pavilions, get ice cream. It was great fun. Good memories for me. I'm sure people are still doing the same with their kids today. It's changed a little bit, got a lot bigger than I like, but if you didn't know how it was before, you'd be loving it just like it is now. I think everybody wants it to stay how it was when they were kids, but change happens. We got this statue up here. I'm gonna go up here and look at this real quick. Goddess of the Sea. Yeah, that's a great little statue with the dolphins there. I like that. Kind of fitting there. Yeah, they've done a great job with this boardwalk. Let's continue on down a little bit further. I got this placard here in memory of Mancy. I can't even say that name. I apologize. From 1892 to 1996. It talks about him here, and it also says this is the site of the Seaside Hotel. And I don't believe that's the name of the hotel we stayed in. I felt like it was over that way more, but it could have been. I mean, I'm not sure. I have to check on that. I just know it's right in this area. I feel like it was over that way further. Could in. I'll check in that. I'm checking in that when I get home and see. I'll know if I see the front of it, if I can see a picture. Yeah, there's the sky wheel. Get up in there, take you a ride around, get a view. You can't see it now. Let me see if I can see it. Yeah, at the Gay Dolphin over there, there's a little tower on top. That used to be the highest point in Myrtle Beach. Not anymore. High-rise hotels going up everywhere. They're building a 26-story one down there by the breakers right now. So as you can see, you can weave your way on in behind between the hotels and the dunes right there. We're not going to go any further though. This is what I consider to be the town square of the Myrtle Beach. Let's walk up to the road and we'll come back up through there and check those stores out. So we're up on Ocean Boulevard now. There's that statue we looked at earlier. There's the arcades and the area I talked about the hotel being. So look up Ocean Boulevard, go to Gay Dolphin, and on down the street they have the slingshot ride, the Space Needle, another big ride back there. One thing I'm noticing, I haven't been here in a while, these cattle gates are new to me. I've been going up to North Myrtle Beach, and this is the first time I've been down here and saw this. I don't like it. I don't know why they have them. I guess keep people from crossing the street maybe. I don't know, but that doesn't look good at all to me. If you want to keep people from crossing the streets, maybe put something on the sidewalk that's decorative or whatever. I don't know, maybe, I guess they put them out and take them up depending on what's going on maybe. I don't know. Yeah, they've done good with the few light poles and the streets, and it's clean and all, but yeah, those gates look terrible. They have Lazy Parrot over there. So we'll come down the road on motorcycles. So there's a look at a shop across the street called I Love Sugar. I've been seeing these little sugar shops all up and down the Strand this week, and I think it must be some kind of franchise thing. I don't really like those type of stores. I like little mom and pop type stores. We're gonna walk up through the section here that's original buildings and whatnot, and I'll have to cut the camera on and off as I hit music playing. Google's got weird copyright rules where you can't have any music playing in the background, even if it's playing out of a restaurant or whatnot. And I hear it playing by the French fries place up here, so I'll get by that and we'll start it up over there. So we're by the little French fries and hamburger place back there, and you can see all up through here, t-shirt places, coffee bar. These are all original old buildings here. I had Myrtle's. Got some freak shakes in there. There's a Haunted Adventure, Ripley's Haunted Adventure there. Yeah, Ripley's has expanded. They used to only have the corner up there. And this is that tower I showed you earlier. And you could climb up those steps, and you would go outside, and there was some steps outside you climbed to get all up on that tower, and you could look out over Myrtle Beach. And like I said, that was the highest point at one time. They won't let you go up there anymore for some reason. I don't know why. I'd like to do it just for old time's sake. Yeah, if you ever come to Myrtle Beach, go in here and check this gift shop out. You'll enjoy it in there. They got a lot of stuff in there. I'm not a big shopper, but I like walking around in there and looking at this stuff. All right, let's continue on. They've done a good job with their sidewalks, matches their boardwalk areas in the back that's not wood. Like if you get off the wooden section, this is kind of what it looks like going up to the pier. Got your henna tattoo shop, a pizza place. There's a little across the street. Yeah, most of your shops selling the same type of things, little souvenirs, gifts, t-shirts. This arcade right here is original. I used to come play in it when I was a kid. Yeah, at night my dad would get tired. When I got older, he'd just hand me a handful of quarters and send me off from home. I'd come in here and walk around these old pavilions and play games. Had a lot of fun. And I'd go up there to where the pavilion was and tore down and get me one of them vanilla chocolate covered ice creams. Yeah, I loved it. That Burger Paradise here, plenty of places to eat, snack bars, as you can see. Beachwear. There's a lot of music. I'm gonna try to block it out with my hand. See how that works. Fun Plaza, that's another good one right there. Changed the front. These windows and all used to kind of be open. Old timey photos. Always seems like they've been here. A lot of fun. People in there now doing it. Getting crowded up here, so I'm walking kind of fast, kind of stay away from people. There's Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum. That was their first little tourist trap they built here. It's interesting. I've been in it before, but yeah, you used to sit on those steps over there when people would cruise up and down the boulevard here, and this was the only place to go. There wasn't no Broadway at the beach, and you can come down there. If you sit there for about 30 minutes to an hour, you'd see somebody you know. That day, it's a different feeling. Beach's Corners right here has been here a long time. One of the first. Got some good food in there. I always like to go in there and get a hot dog. But there's another look back up. I got a zip line over there. Oh, it's getting loud. Ninth Avenue right here. What I consider to be the square of Myrtle Beach. This is where the pavilion would have been. And there's the Bowery down there where we started. I'm going up a little bit further. Have some more shops up that way, but I tell you, it looks a whole lot different without that amusement park being right there. You're going down to South Myrtle Beach. There's another amusement park going down that end. And when I got older, me and my brother, we'd walk from the pavilion down here, and we'd walk all the way up to what was a amusement park at that time, and all in between here was houses and smaller hotels. Kind of get dark, and it get picked back up as you got up there to the amusement park on that end. We thought we was doing something back then, walking around. Yeah, that's it. Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, right here in the square, looking at Ripley's Believe It or Not. Come on down, you'll have a lot of fun here. I know I did as a kid, and I'm sure your kids will too. Hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, like, subscribe, and share. Y'all take care.